Hello everyone, I'm Elisa. Today, I'm going to introduce CapCut and show you how to add keyframes on a mobile device. This is the CapCut mobile interface. First, I will import the background. If you want to add another image on top of this one, tap the overlay option at the bottom, then select Add Overlay to import your chosen image. Now I'll adjust the position of the image. Let's say I want this image to bounce up and down as it moves forward. To achieve that kind of animation, we need to use keyframes. So, how do we add a keyframe? Look on the right side, you'll see a diamond icon that represents the keyframe. If there's a plus sign in the top left corner of the diamond, it means no keyframe has been added at the current position on the timeline. Tap the diamond icon, and you'll see the plus sign turn into a minus sign. Now look down at the timeline. A red diamond icon appears on the clip, showing that a keyframe has been added. Since it's right at the edge of the clip, you might only see half of the icon. Important note, the diamond icon only shows up after you tap on a clip. If no clip is selected, you won't see the keyframe echo. Now, use 2 fingers to zoom in on the timeline. This will enlarge the clip view. If the keyframe wasn't placed exactly at the edge before, zooming in might make its position look off. If you want to remove a keyframe, then move the timeline to the keyframe position. The diamond icon will turn red. Tap it again, and the minus sign becomes a plus sign. You'll also see that the red keyframe disappears from the clip. If I want to add a keyframe at the very start, I first move the timeline to the beginning of the clip. Then tap the diamond icon, and that sets the first keyframe. Next, I move the timeline to a new position and tap the diamond icon. Now I adjust the image's position. This creates motion between the 2 keyframes. Then move the timeline to a third position. If you don't want to keep tapping the diamond icon, you can just move the image directly. Since earlier keyframes have already been added, CapCut will automatically insert a new keyframe whenever you make changes. This saves time and avoids repeating steps. Keep going, move the timeline to a 4th position and adjust the image again. Another keyframe is added automatically. Now move to the 5th position and make more changes. At the 6th position, I want the image to stay still, so I won't make any changes. Note: in this case, you need to manually tap the diamond icon to insert a keyframe for the static position. Move to the 7th position. Adjust the image again. That's it. Let's preview the motion sequence we just created. Alright, that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a like, subscribe, and share this video. Thanks, and see you next time. Bye bye.